Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, something completely different. And this time what we're going to be talking about is our £1 million project. So let's get started. Welcome to the new HQ, which we've got a fully refurb. If you're interested in what I talk about, the markets, trading, stocks, FX, commodities, then make sure you thumbs up, comment and subscribe. We're going to start upstairs first. I need you to think with a vision, okay? It's obviously taken me a long time building my companies up, so it all starts with a vision. We've got a new vision, and that is this. This is going to be our trade floor upstairs. So look at all this open space that we have. We're going to fully refurb this into a state-of-the-art trade floor, and it's going to be awesome. So let me break down exactly what we have and what we're going to be doing. So we've got our first room here, which is going to be the boardroom. It's already laid out as a boardroom anyway. So we're going to have our boardroom table in here. We're going to build a nice big media unit behind you on the wall. And that's going to have our big presentation board on there. Again, we've got a lot of work that we're going to be doing in here. It's going to look nothing like this when we're finished. So this is going to be one of the rooms. This is going to be a boardroom. Let me show you something else. Yeah. And then this is going to be a big trade floor. Computers coming all the way down. Computers going all the way along that side of the wall as well. And then we're going to have a really big media unit set up on this wall. We're going to get nice, we're going to get built. It's going to be bespoke. It's going to fit into this lovely space here that we've got. We're going to have some nice sofas, a chill out area for this space. And obviously we're just moving in, so we're trying to put all of our stuff in, but this is then going to be my office. So we've got a lot of work to do in here, designing it, making it look really cool, but it's such a good space and it's such good value for money of what we've got. We've just got a lot of work that we need to do on the refurb. So that's going to be my office. You guys will be able to see me in there behind my desk in the near future. So we've got two storage rooms, one in there for everything that we need in our normal space, obviously. We've got electricals, cupboard, everything in there. Then we've got our kitchen area. I'm not a fan of the lights. We're going to change the lights, things like that, move that space. And then we've got our kitchen area, which I think is actually okay. It's not too bad. And then we've got shower rooms, toilets, so on and so forth. And you can see them here. All pretty standard. This is one floor. It's quite a big space that we've got. We've got a lot of work that we need to do, but actually the work and the vision that I'm most excited about is downstairs. So downstairs is completely bare, but we've got permission to be able to build whatever we need. And we fully own this building, which is crazy. We own this building. We're not paying rent anymore. We're not spending £20,000 a month on rent. We own the building, which is such a huge milestone for me. And it's a massive achievement. And we've got so much work that we've got to do. So downstairs, you're going to need an even bigger vision of what I'm building because it's going to be crazy. And I can't wait until you see the finished product. But I'm going to give you a walkthrough of exactly what I'm planning on doing. So downstairs is where the work begins. Again, you're going to have a vision, okay? But as you can see, we have a very echoey, very large room. Very large room. So I'm going to walk you through it step by step. So first of all, black tape, that is doors, okay? Red tape is walls, and blue tape is glass walls, and yellow is changing rooms. So if I start off firstly with behind you we've got a big space for a toilet, which is what we're going to have downstairs. We're going to have a toilet in here. Here we're going to have two different changing rooms. So two large scale changing rooms, shower, toilet, bathroom, lockers. And I'll explain the lockers in a minute. Lockers, toilets, shower as well. So nice big space here. Now, I'll come through this doorway between here and the glass. And as I come through here, we have our own huge gym. So we've got all of this space along here to have all of our gym all the way along up here. And we've got these old style rolling warehouse doors. And what we're going to do is we're going to build a nice internal glass wall here so that we can open this up and get as much sunlight as we can in here. It's going to be awesome. It's such a huge project, but you know what I'm like. I like going big. Okay, so let's go back to where we started. We're going to go back out of the gym. We're going to go along the pathway. And then we're going to go through this door here. We come through this door here. And now all of this space from where I just came in up to the red tape. So here's where we've got a big wall. We're going to have a big TV on the wall here for our conference room. We're going to have another big TV on the wall here for our conference room. And this room's big. It's big enough to fit 20, 30 people in if we wanted to. And it comes all the way along here. And we're going to follow the beams of the building to make it nice and get rid of these beams so you don't see them because they'll be part of the wall. When I come out of the door, what you'll now see is we've got a small room here, which is going to be all glass. We're going to build this into a glass room. And it's going to have, you know, the likes of vending, coffee machines, kettle, water, all of that sort of thing for people that are on breaks, going in between the conference room, going in between the coffee room. So we're going to have a small room there. And then you've got to imagine this is going to be a big corridor all the way down. And again, this is another entrance into the gym where we've got all of that space for the gym. And some of those guys that are super excited about this, like I am, we're going to knock this wall down over here. As you can see on the left, we're going to knock this wall down. And we're going to extend this room out. And this whole space is going to be a luxury cinema room that is going to be built in here. So if you imagine all of this down here, we're going to knock all of this down out of here. So we're going to knock all of that down, and all of this space where the red tape is going to be a solid luxury cinema room with a big screen that goes through this wall all the way down here, and we're going to have a huge cinema room. So we're going to have a cinema room, private gym, changing rooms, lockers, showers, big conference room, coffee room downstairs. And that's just the downstairs. And upstairs we've got where the work happens. We've got the trade floor, we've got the boardroom, we've got my office. It's just going to be absolutely insane. And a lot of Samuel & Co traders are looking forward to this, but I'm looking forward to this so much because it's been such a long time coming that we've managed to achieve this. Directly behind you actually is the downstairs reception behind there. We've stacked loads of chairs up on the other side, so I can't show you on the other side, but if you can see the shape and size. But behind that we've got a reception room, and we're going to knock this down, and we're going to put glass all the way along here, and then leave this last bit as solid wall. So you can see the vision. What I'm going to do, guys, on my channel is I'm going to update you as much as I can with the building work, the progression work, but it's official. Samuel & Co Trading, we've got a new HQ, our very own building that we own, do not rent, do not lease or anything. We physically own it. And this is going to be an awesome project, guys. So get in the comments, let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know what you think I should add to the building.